Hello, welcome to Pergola Nurseries in Virginia. This is a fantastic tree to grow. It's called Acer rubrum October Glory Bonanza, and the Bonanza part is very important. It's got fantastic autumn border like that, September, October into November time, deepens like that there. And it's got red flowers along bare branches in spring, just tiny red flowers, but mainly grown for its gorgeous foliage. Green leaves, of course, in spring and summer, and then in autumn gradually starts to turn. And as the temperatures drop, the colour is fantastic. Now, it's a North American maple, the Canadian maple, so totally winter hardy. Unlike some Japanese maples that need a little shelter spot, this one is well able for weather. Perfect as an avenue tree, or maybe left and right of a gate, or left and right as an entrance, or just a single tree standing on its own. It's absolutely stunning. It is one of the best trees for autumn colour. And this is the time of year to plant it. Now, great big root balls on them like that. You can see a fantastic root system already formed here. You dig a hole twice the depth of that. Put some Super Thrive planting fertilizer at the bottom, swell well compost and soil on top, and the same banking around. And of course, need a little stake or strap to keep it nice and firm. So that's Acer October Glory. Don't forget Bonanza. Very important to get the real good deep red leaf. Goodbye for now. Enjoy your garden.